Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your boy TK here. I came across another knife actually. So I just wanted to show you guys this because I actually think this is pretty cool. This is one of the coolest knives I have, and if you've been paying attention to my channel, you will know I have a lot of knives, and I think this one is pretty insane. So this is how it will come if you get it with the plastic in the box and everything. Okay, so let's take this out of the plastic here. So this is the gold Milano Godfather pocket knife. Yes, the Godfather pocket knife. All gold. This is what's so crazy about it. Just the color alone, and it's got Godfather in its title. I mean, that's pretty cool. Okay, so this thing, just off of looks, I think is insane. The color, the design, the style, I think it's insane. Now, of course, oh, look at that. And it's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy. I'm not kidding about it. It got a nice weight to it. That's why I just dropped it there. You see the clip here. A little movement there, so that you could definitely tighten that up. Not nothing too big. Definitely can be used. Okay. So let's get this blade open. I would flick it open right here. Last thing I want to do is cut my finger off on the camera for you. That would be pretty funny though. So I'm just gonna open this up back here. Always be nice and safe. Okay. What do you think about that? Look how big that is. Look how long that is. Now, I know some people may not like that it says stiletto right there. You know, it doesn't really bother me. But some people may not like that. But nevertheless, look at that blade. It looks pretty good. So I just got this, and I took it out with me already. Showed a couple people, and needless to say, this thing is quite the attention grabber. People definitely like to get their hands on this knife and take a look at it. Okay, you can see the locking mechanism right here. You push this in to be able to close the knife. Push this in, close it down. I mean, I really like this. So tell me what you guys think about this knife, man. I really like this knife. Just something I came across. I was like, whatever, I'll make a video of it. See, I'm getting a little reflection there. But yeah, so I just want to show that knife. I think it's pretty crazy. It's the knife only costs like $12 and some change, US dollars. Not bad. So if you guys like this knife and you want to see anything else that's kind of different or kind of crazy, let me know and I'll get it, make a video of it. Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. Definitely having a blast with this thing. Definitely. The gold, the look of it is I really like this, guys. So I definitely think this may have surpassed my zombie killer pocket knife as my favorite knife. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell me if there's anything you would want me to get, anything else you want to see, any other type of crazy knives or whatever. You see what I have on this channel. I have all type of nonsense, so let me know. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.